Hi, I'm conducting a free healing session for my friends and family. This will be a live Zoom session with me for 60 minutes, where we will learn the magical ancient healing technique, which will help you to instantly release any negative emotions you're feeling right now in your life. Would you like to do? Reconnect with yourself and experience self love like you have never experienced before. Would you like to? I promise you, you will have an experience of tears of joy, which you will always remember in this small magical session. Would you like to experience this? So, if you're ready to experience the magical emotional healing, meet me on the other side of this session. And please note, this magical session is completely free only for today. So, register right now as I have limited free seats available. Thank you, and the registration link is given below.